on?
Auto start.
Auto start, right? Alarm control room, and you have auto start.
Yeah.
Auto mode. This we are safe. After that, we have got. Yeah. Please open. Meantime,
This is a vendor package.
this looks like vendor package only. If you see,
Yeah.
vendor package only. But this is this is sludge dewatering building.
Now maybe it's written somewhere.
No, it's not written.
We have vendor supply. They have written for below the equipment.
Vendor supply.
Mention on call.
Yeah.
No, there is vendor supply.
Here also. Tank also. So
Installation time.
So our same recommendation will be applicable. That operation control philosophy, cause and effect, and safeguard.
But yes, required is instrumentation, we need to identify.
Yeah. Standby.
And also as I told the strainer blockage case that we have considered.
Yeah, I have put that. I have
Working on then by pump. But this entire package is by the supplier.
for strainer.
Yeah, because they did not consider that.
If you see for strainer, I have put one recommendation. Yeah. And for strainer, I have taken one recommendation to consider provide the PL at pump suction, because if you provide the DPH only for DPH, but for pump suction, low level valve closure, many things will help. Okay, so I have come here. This valve is closed. Then there is high pressure.
How many alarms are there? At what stage there will be alarm?
Manual discharge valve. Check valve is not closed. Not